Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would love you to join our community by subscribing. You are not going to miss out on the latest update we have for you on this channel. We are going to talk about the installations of solar lights, and today we have different forms of solar light. We have the capacities, and all of them are rated in watts. We have 600 watts, we have 1000 watts, we have 2000 watts, we have 150 watts. But basically I'm going to teach you on the common and the most commonest ones in the market, which are going to install today. Here I have with me the 600 watt solar panel, and here is the 600 watts solar lights. As you can see, this is the way it appears in the carton. When you open the carton, you bring out the light like this. This is the 600 watts. The 600 watt, it is rated. So for you to install this, you need to have your tubes available. Then you have to make sure it comes with this. You use this, attach it here, and fasten it on the pole. Then if you don't have a pole that is mounted, what you have to do is you bring out the pole or the hanger to set. This is the hanger. This hanger can be attached to either the pole, the fence, the pillar, anywhere you feel like positioning it. If it is on the wall, you can position it on this angle, or this angle, depending on your choice. So once you get your choice of positioning, first you fasten this, attach it here. Attach it like this, fasten it, and mount it on your pole. Once this is done, the next step is how to turn on the solar lights. But before you run the installation, like I said, you must first of all know the wattage. I've discussed about the wattage. So the wattage is determined by the number of eyes. So you can see, you determine it by the number of eye it has. That's what you use to determine the wattage. Then ensure that it is properly charged before you fix it. So it is not advisable for you to mount this in the night. It's either you do it early in the morning or you do it in the hot afternoon when the weather might have come up, to ensure that the solar panel has charged the internal battery, which is inside. This is made up of internal battery, lithium battery that is built inside it. When you lose this place, you will see the battery inside. So for it to function properly, it must be installed early in the morning, or you ensure that it is installed late in the evening when you might have placed them under the sun to charge. So I'm going to show you how you are going to power it after your installation. This is the remote. This is the remote control for the light. This remote, you have to put in your battery. Put in your battery, your normal battery, as you power your system. Now you have powered it. So the next thing is, okay, before I power this light, I want us to look at the functions of this remote. This remote has the ability to function with the solar lights automatically, and it also has a timing and settings. So if you want it to maybe to come on for 2 hours, it is indicated here. So here you can see the H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 2H plus, 3H plus,